Welcome to the new myFSU portal. This tutorial will guide you through navigating the redesigned portal. We will walk through each of the pages in the main navigation from Home, My Info, Academics, Finances, Events, Quicklinks, and Help videos. On the home page, you are welcomed by the main information block, which displays your name, EMPL ID, FSU ID, and email. From here, you can return to the classic portal view by selecting the Legacy Portal button, and click the Portal Beta button to come back to this new design. The myFSU Links block contains your favorite quick links to services like Canvas, Email, Student Central, and Campus Connect. You can customize this section by clicking the Customize button to show or hide links as you choose. Further down, the My Finances portlet displays information on financial aid and your student account balance. You can view the amount due, make a payment, or add money to your dining dollars or FSU card accounts directly from this section. The My Academic Profile block shows your current academic plan and advisor. In the My Health section, you can schedule appointments with University Health Services online or by phone, check hours, or access the patient portal. Resources for the Counseling Center are also available here. In the center of the page, in the My Academics portlet, select the Connect button and follow the authorization steps to integrate your Canvas courses within the portal. Once connected, you can view your current courses and grades. You also have the option to show or hide your grades for privacy. Within this block, you can also quickly access your academic calendar or your unofficial transcript. If there are any holds or to-dos on your account, they will appear in a block under your main information. Clicking this block will take you to a page with more details where you can take action on each item. To the right, you'll find a list of upcoming campus events. You can also navigate to the main information pages like Academics or Finances by selecting the More Info buttons within each of these homepage blocks. On the My Info page, you can find more detailed information about your account. The My Information section displays your home and mailing address, phone number, and email. Under Delegate Information, you can grant another person access to view certain information about your FSU account. You can update your Duo two-factor authentication, change your password, and manage your emergency contacts by selecting the corresponding button and edit links on this page. On the Academics page, any holds on your account will appear in a banner across the top of the screen. The page itself is organized into several key areas. Academic Profile, which displays your level, cumulative hours, and GPA. My Advisor, which shows your assigned advisor, with a link to Campus Connect for scheduling appointments. Current Classes shows all of the classes you're currently enrolled in with quick access to the academic calendar, Schedule Assistant, and your unofficial transcript. Course History is a block that will display all of the courses you have taken in previous semesters. Planned Courses is a section that shows a visual workflow from planning your classes to enrolling. Quicklinks will provide easy access to important resources like admissions, forms, the registration guide, and majors and academic maps. Academic Resources and University Offices is where you can find links to key departments like undergraduate studies, financial aid, and the Career Center. The Finances tab features the Student Finance portlet with 3 tabs: Invoice, Florida Prepaid, and Private Scholarships. The Invoice tab shows your current amount due. From here, you can make a payment, generate an invoice, update your address, or add an update direct deposit. Contact information for the Student Finance Office is also provided. The Financial Aid section will display your aid information. You can report outside aid, view your award summary, or review the terms and conditions. If you are a Florida Prepaid recipient, your plan details will appear under the Florida Prepaid tab. Any private scholarships you have received will be displayed under the Private Scholarships tab. The Events page is designed to help you explore campus life. Here you will find an assortment of information about activities and news happening around campus. The page is organized into tiles for events, eating, sports, and news. Here you can filter each section to find what you're looking for. For example, you can filter events by homecoming or athletics, or filter eating by location, such as the Union or restaurants near 1851. This page also provides access to social media links and important campus safety and Title IX information. Quicklinks page, you can find any link in the portal by using the search bar, or by sorting alphabetically or by category. Various categories like academics, campus life, and financial aid help you find the resources you need. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for, such as change password. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the new myFSU portal.